Hello and welcome. These are the three products we're going to clean the window on the CyberTruck with. Microfiber cloth, Swiffer sweeper, and spray away glass cleaner. Let me show you how that works. Inside the Swiffer box comes a whole plethora of stuff. If we look at it here, all kinds of different things for the face of the sweeper. But we're not going to use any of them. We're going to actually be using just microfiber cloths. Here is the thing that makes it work for me on the CyberTruck windows. Here is the Swiffer contents: the head, the handle, end, and 3 extension rods. Today we'll be using 2 extension rods and the handle. Handle's used to keep from damaging the behind me up on top of the window, and it'll all plug together and make one piece. This is the Swiffer assembled with the 2 extension rods and the handle. It allows you to just push this little button down and pull it apart. And I don't think we'll be needing this, but you may have shorter arms than can be imagined. I start with a 12-inch square microfiber cloth. I set the Swiffer head right in the middle of it, and I fold it back and tuck it into those little pockets, these little pockets right here. After the microfiber is attached to the head, I am all ready to clean windows. This is how I clean the windows with the glass cleaner. I'll do the outside first. Now remember, less is best. So I just do a light dusting of the window. Then I take the microfiber cloth and I go over it. If you're short, you may need a step ladder. Turn it over and dry it. And that's it. The window is now absolutely clean. Let's do the other side. Exact same. Nice light thing over the top. Take the microfiber, go over the whole window. After you've done one, when it's wet, flip it over. Dries anything left, and the entire window is clean. Let's check the reach of our Swiffer. Make sure that from where I'm sitting here in the driver's position, the Swiffer makes it all the way. You see I've got plenty of length. You can add 1/3 more section if you wish, but as you see, it completely goes all the way down as far as it'll go. All right, so here is my technique in cleaning the CyberTruck window. Again, I use the spray away. Less is best. So I take it and I spray a light thing on it. And then I use the Swiffer. I start by turning the head upwards and I work the spray away material. I do about half of the window. Now you just see it's binding a little down there. Now what the Swiffer is really cool is I can rotate it so that the head is rotated once it's turned. Try to do that here. So I've rotated the head, and that allows me to get all the way down to the very bottom and clean it down below. See, just by rotating the handle allows me to rotate the head. If I want to rotate it the other way, I rotate the handle the other way, and it gets right in the corner coming up. Goes down. I can go this way. I can go that way, whatever it takes to clean this window. And that's it. That's how I clean the CyberTruck window. And I did that with one hand. Here's what it looks like when I actually have two hands to run the Swiffer. I can rotate it, run it right down the side, all the way to the bottom. I can then move it along the very bottom down here, back and forth, whichever direction you wish. If I want the head the other way, I rotate the handle, and I can run it all the way that way. I can run it down here in the bottom. I can run it up the side, all the way up. So with two hands, I can manipulate it way better than just one hand. And I can clean the entire window using this method. And as you know, it's hard to get into the corners, so I can simply rotate the head so that I can get right in the very corner down there, right along the base, and back up. That's the benefit of using the Swiffer sweeper. So here's the start to finish way to clean the window on the right side. A little here. All right, and then I use two hands. I turn the cloth up, and I wash back and forth, getting any of the PVC gas that's stuck to the window scrubbed off. All the way up. I move the sun visor, get it out of the way. And that gets me all the way across here. And then to get in the very bottom, I rotate the Swiffer around by twisting the handle. I then go all the way down. Anything up here close to the seat I can do by hand, but you can also use the Swiffer. Right down the very side, across the very bottom. And just like that, the CyberTruck window is clean as a whistle. Hear the whistle? And that's it. It's easy to do. You can do it. Yeah, aren't you glad you stuck around? Remember, we cleaned the entire front window with one Swiffer and a microfiber cloth, but you have a bonus. You pull this off of the Swiffer head. You then flip it around and stick it on backwards, and you can get two cleanings with one microfiber. That's just about as hard as it is to clean the windows in the CyberTruck. The spray away and the microfiber cloth is excellent for the windows all the way around, but you don't need the Swiffer for it because you can actually rub it yourself. There you have it. It's that simple. Hope you liked today's video. Pass it on to your CyberTruck friends. And oh wait, there's more. Yeah, this method works in your Model Y, in Model 3, in Model X, in Model S, and every other car out there. Swiffer Sweeper comes to the rescue. Thanks for watching. I'll look for you in the next video, and take care.